Today we're turning this old leaf spring into a beautiful knife. Well, I'm almost out of propane. I got the tip in about 70%, but I just went to the local store and they are out of propane. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to start doing some stock removal and find some propane probably tomorrow. So, oh well. Okay, so I ran into a couple issues. First one, I thought I put another dead battery in my camera. Camera battery went dead. When I was working on cleaning up the spine, I noticed a crack in the tip. It didn't look like anything I forged into it. I think it was just the integrity of the spring steel that I'm using. It's really old. So I cut that off, and we're gonna get back to work today. I got a little bit more spine work to do, and I'm hoping to get some holes for some pinholes for the handle, but back to work. Well, that's a wrap for me tonight. It's just all I have time for, so hopefully we can get back out here tomorrow and get working. I think it's looking pretty cool. Alright, so I am back out here, just marking some lines, and I'm going to get some preliminary bevels on here. Probably all I have time for tonight. Alright, that is where I'm at. I got the spine sanded to 120 grit. The bevels are at 80. They're about 2 millimeters thick. That should be a pretty good preheat treatment thickness, so I don't get anything wonky when I quench this thing or put this thing in the oil. I am making pretty good timing, so I'm going to start on the handle. I'm at least going to get the pins. I'm going to cut 2 stainless pins out of this 3/16 inch stainless steel round stock. Okay, so this is where I'm at. I've got the scales cut out, they're rough, and this thing is ready for normalization. I'm going to do 3 cycles. I'm not going to film all that, but I'm going to do 3 normalization cycles, then get it in the quench. Let's see how we did. Feels good. Hot. That skates a file nice. All right, we are out of temper. It looks good, nice and straight. I'm gonna get it cleaned up, get the bevels in, and get skeleton glue on. So I just took it up to 400 grit only. Gonna get it glued up and we'll get it finished up tomorrow. Okay, we are glued up, cleaned up. It looks pretty rough and mean. I like it. I'm gonna put it somewhere and let it dry and finish it tomorrow. This thing is still wicked sharp. It's got a really thick edge, so the paper test is kind of hard. You know, it's built for strength, but it cuts through it nice and clean. So, fun build, subscribe, we'll see you soon.